Importance of internal control. When internal control safeguards assets, it is critical objective that it is actually meeting. So it is important that we have internal control systems in place, and we could not actually overemphasize this. So we want to look at other important aspects and why is internal control important to us will be what we will be answering now. And when we are talking about internal control, it provides management with reasonable assurance that the goal and the objective of the organization will be achieved. And we could not overemphasize this. It is critical, it is important for the long haul of the business, for the survival of the business, that the internal control must be put in place, and also internal control should be able to achieve this and many more for us. So one critical importance of an internal control system is that it should be able to give us reasonable assurance at the management level, at the level of the board of directors, and even at every cadre should be able to give us reasonable assurance. And equally on the part of auditor, we should have assurance that the internal control is actually working. That is number one. Then also, internal control should help us to have reliance on the financial reporting. So they help to ensure reliance and reliability of the financial reporting, and also compliance with the regulations, standard, laws. Internal control has come to offer us this and many more. And when we have a good internal control systems in place, it helps us to be sure and give us assurance that all recordings of our transaction are actually genuine and are real. And as we continue after this video, we are going to actually be looking at more other important topic about types of internal control systems. Types of internal control systems. So please join us. Going back, importance of internal control. It ensures that all recorded transactions are actually real. No ambiguity, no fictitious assets and the like, because internal control should actually have taken care of that. Proper valuation of anything, transactions, valuables, assets should be properly valued if internal control is working. No understatements, no over invoicing and the like. Related to correct periods, that is, it ensures that every transaction is recorded within its boundary, the cutoff period. Well classified items and correctly authorized postings. No postings that are not authorized, whether they are journal vouchers or whether they are estimated or actually real transaction, figuratively, numerically. Another important aspect of internal control is that it ensures detection, early detection, and equally correction of errors when they occur. Of course, good internal control systems should prevent fraud. Good internal control systems should prevent fraud. You see that we are actually ending with it, but it is of equal importance that internal control should be able to mitigate against human error, arithmetic error, and fraud, which are intentional and misappropriation of assets. From GGEM's Associate Channel, join us as we now look at the next topic on the list: types of internal control systems. Please don't forget to like us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram. Follow us on YouTube. Ensure you click notification and click all, so any upload you will be the first person to be aware of it. Any comment, please reach out to us. You can use our email address that has been displayed. Let us look at the next topic: types of internal control.